Hi everyone, we're going to create a beautiful asymmetric hairstyle. So I've gone through on the right hand side, I've gone all the way over to the left hand side, put the hair on the left hand side into an elastic, turn it inside out, there we go, up and over, and then pull at the texture. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to now bring the hair from the opposite side over, like this, just bring it all the way over here, like so, and I'm going to pull this back through the middle of what I've just created. I love this look. I'm going to pin that into hold and I'm just taking my hair grips and I'm pushing the hair grips back into the roots of the hair, going in the opposite direction. Take the tails now of the piece that we pulled through originally and we're going to wrap that around. But for the full tutorial on this hairstyle, and you need to see how it was all done, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club.